Hey, this is HomeLink 4.10, kind of a fun one. This is called a fair game. The class is exploring probability. I'd like you to play rock, paper, scissors with your child. After 20 rounds, have your child decide whether this game is fair or not and tell you why or why not. A game is fair if all players have an equal chance of winning or losing, and that's what we're trying to get the students to understand. Please return this HomeLink to school tomorrow. Please play rock, paper, scissors with someone at home. Play at least 20 times and keep a tally of wins and losses. You'll only need your hands, 2 players, and the object of the game is to choose a hand position that beats your partner's choice. Here are the directions. Each player hides one hand behind his or her back and puts the rock, paper, or scissors position. One player counts 1, 2, 3. On 3, both players show their hand positions. Players choose the winning according to the rules. Now, here's the hand positions. This is rock, just kind of making a fist. Paper is holding your hand flat. And scissors is kind of making your fingers into a V and look like scissors. Another variation is that the hands are facing each other when they're doing it. And this is how we usually do it in school or at home. And they go 1, they count together. 2, 3, and then they say shoot. So it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot, and then each hand would make whichever one that they wanted. So to find out who wins, if one player had a rock and the other player had scissors, then the rock would win because rocks dent scissors. If one player has a hand and the other player has the rock, so the paper and the paper would win because paper covers rock. And if one player had scissors and the other had paper, the scissors would win because scissors cut paper. If both players show the same position, no one wins. So here's what your child needs to do. After you've done 20 and you've kept a tally mark of who won, they need to decide, is this a fair game? Reminding them fair means that each player has the same chance of winning. So here they should answer yes or no. Number 2, it says on the back of this paper, explain why or why not. What I'd like the students to do is remember that they need to use part of their question in the answer. So their sentences should start out, rock, paper, scissors is a fair game or is not a fair game because. And then they should list at least 3 sentences in telling me why it is or is not a fair game. We use this in the classroom and I use it with my own children at home to solve lots of disputes. Have fun with this one, and if you have any questions, please email me at school. Thank you.